In protected environments around the world, leopards live free and undisturbed, their beauty inspiring the world of luxury textiles.
Experienced caretakers closely monitor leopard behavior and health, ensuring every animal lives in complete safety.
No two hides are alike. Each carries its own natural pattern, a hallmark of authentic luxury leather.
Here, each unique leopard hide is preserved and prepared for its journey to high-end fashion.
Advanced photography and scanning capture the natural pattern, guiding the creation of sustainable leopard pattern leather.
These materials, inspired by nature and produced responsibly, begin their journey toward becoming high-end luxury fashion.
Every sheet is inspected to ensure the pattern authentically reflects the natural beauty of the leopard without harming a single animal.
The leopard-patterned hides enter the grading line, where precision begins.
Every spot, curve, and gradient of the leopard pattern is digitally mapped.
Highly trained staff test texture, softness, and durability.
AI ensures every leopard pattern sheet meets luxury standards. Each millimeter of the pattern is inspected to match authentic wild beauty. RFID tagging tracks each hide throughout the luxury production line. The finest grades move ahead toward shaping and cutting. Automation moves materials with zero damage. With quality verified, the next stage begins.
The leopard-patterned hides enter the cutting hall, where accuracy becomes art.
Digital mapping ensures the laser respects every natural curve of the leopard pattern.
Each robotic movement protects texture, pattern, and structural strength.
Human skill ensures every cut is perfect to the touch.
Dozens of pieces begin transforming into luxury components.
Precision tools handle even the toughest sections without damaging the pattern.
Perfect alignment means no two pieces clash, only harmony.
Heat and pressure give each piece its final sculpted form. The cut and shaped pieces now move to the assembly line.
Cutting complete. Assembly awaits.
Here, precision stitching transforms carefully cut pieces into high-end luxury products.
Ensuring each leopard spot lines up perfectly is critical for premium quality.
High-speed stitching combines efficiency with meticulous craftsmanship.
From above, the harmony of human skill and machinery becomes evident.
Seam aligned, pattern intact, perfect.
Every seam undergoes careful quality inspection before moving forward.
Luxury construction requires precise integration of structural elements without disturbing the design. The stitched products now move to the final polishing stage to enhance texture and shine. Each spot of the leopard pattern is carefully polished to enhance natural texture and shine.
Edges clean, no color deviation, pattern intact.
Perfect edges are crucial to uphold both durability and visual appeal.
Machines handle repetitive polishing while preserving every detail of the leopard pattern.
Every surface is inspected to ensure flawless finish and consistent luxury quality.
pattern looks perfect, shine, uniform, ready for packaging.
Meticulous human inspection ensures that no detail is overlooked.
Pattern looks perfect, shine uniform, ready for packaging.
Meticulous human inspection ensures that no detail is overlooked.
Controlled conditioning preserves suppleness while protecting the natural pattern. The final polish brings out the true elegance of the leopard pattern. From above, the harmony of craftsmanship, machinery, and precision is visible. With polishing complete, these luxurious leopard pattern products are ready for premium packaging. Every luxury item undergoes rigorous inspection to meet the highest standards. Each leopard pattern is inspected to ensure flawless continuity and natural beauty. Advanced machinery helps maintain exacting standards for every leopard pattern sheet.
Any deviation from the standard is flagged for correction.
Only the finest pieces move forward. From above, the systematic workflow ensures every item receives thorough attention. Each batch is certified ready for assembly and packaging, maintaining absolute luxury standards.
With quality verified, the journey continues toward high-end fashion creation.
The luxury journey continues as leopard pattern handbags enter the final refinement stage.
Every purse receives meticulous polishing to enhance the natural leopard pattern.
Each handbag with leopard texture arrives for its final luxury treatment.
Each leopard pattern is enhanced careful to preserve its natural elegance.
Luxury lies in the flawless alignment of every unique pattern.
The leopard texture is gently polished to bring out its natural depth and shine.
Micro-level inspection ensures perfect pattern alignment and flawless craftsmanship.
Combining precision machinery and skilled hands ensures the best finish.
Advanced machinery gives each handbag a smooth, uniform, luxury finish. Tracking and authentication ensure every product patterned leopard skin meets luxury criteria.
Each bag undergoes final verification before packaging.
Perfectly polished leopard pattern handbags are now ready for luxury presentation.
Attention to detail ensures each jacketel's pattern and fit are perfect.
Perfectly polished handbags with premium leopard texture are ready for presentation.
Every stitch complements the natural pattern for elegance and durability.
Leopard textured handbags arrive in the final stage, placed, luxury packaging.
Each handbag's leopard texture is wrapped with care to maintain its flawless finish.
All products meet the highest standards and are ready for luxury presentation.
An authenticity tag confirms each handbag's premium leopard textured craftsmanship. Every box is arranged to present the leopard texture with elegance and precision.
Packaged with care, these leopard-textured handbags are now ready for the world of luxury fashion.
Model presentation highlights the elegance and bold character of the leopard finish. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and help this video reach more viewers.